What's going on, YouTube? Today is Sunday, December 28th, 12/25. We are going on not one, but two emergency service calls. Um, yep, got a call. I got a call last night, and he agreed today for the after hours charge. And today's a balmy 49 degrees at the end of December, man. Crazy weather. We're having crazy weather. So I'm going to try to get you some shots. Um, It's a dark, gloomy, rainy day. Like I said, it's 49 degrees, just raining all day long. And then tomorrow, Monday, the 29th, will be a high of like 22 degrees, some snow. It's going to be an interesting time. So I'll try to get you some shots and let's get to work. Well, if it's seized up, it's hot. Bearings are probably gone if that's what's going on.
The last time the fire started.
Yeah, that should be spinning freely.
So it's that.
Yeah,
And then that's the part that you take.
right.
Oh, you think that's it. You're literally for the month. I'm learning.
Pretty rough. Yeah, this thing's from 2001. All right, let me go make some calls to see if somebody can meet me there. Uh, Looks like the collector box is leaking a little bit as well. That can be addressed another day. All right, let me go make some phone calls and then, man, it is raining horses and kittens right now. And the visibility is just horrible. So it's about almost a 30-minute drive from where I'm at to my supply house on a Sunday afternoon. And yeah, this is what happens when you don't keep parts in stock. I typically keep these draft inducers in stock, but I didn't run into any so far. Like I said, I usually order, when I need a part, I usually order two of them. That way I keep it in stock so I don't have to do this again. Just thank God, I guess it'd rather be raining than snowing and being icy but it's the visibility is horrible. Johnstone. Mark.
It's not you.
Good.
Mother.
Did you get my orders?
Probably not.
Okay.
W.
Man, what a fiasco. So yeah, it's been almost an hour since I left. Finally getting back here and gonna get this draft inducer swapped out. Oh man, you got some flooding going on, huh?
Yeah, I just saw.
Yeah, I almost need to build an ark.
This thing became talking about stuff.
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna
Oh, I see you're from Miami. Is that where your phone number's from?
Yeah.
Probably not used to this cold weather, are you? Oh, are you? So you're used to the cold weather. That's funny.
You're not the first person to ever say that.
That's funny.
I just never had so much trouble with it.
Well, when it's not properly maintained, this is what happens. It's kind of like driving your car 20,000 miles and decide you want to get your oil changed because you hear a knock, you know. This could have been preventative if they did maintenance on it. We could have caught this. Yeah, this gasket's about shot. Yeah, this thing needs some loving. If not, he may have to want to think about replacing this furnace because this furnace is from 2001, so 15 to 18 years is about the life expectancy. It's funny, I think I want to say that I put this in when I worked for another company back then. It's been that long.
Who set up your radio?
It's through Free to Grow.
Freedom Girl?
Free to Grow, yeah.
Cool, but also annoying.
Nope, it is. People love it, people hate it. But for what I pay for it a month, I can't hire anybody as cheap as that to take the information down. But if you notice, I called you right back.
Yeah.
That's where people don't mind that. No, I would have to hire somebody for 15, 20 bucks an hour to answer phones, and it would cost me a boatload of money. And yeah, that's the AI answering service I'm using.